Have you ever seen something so amazing it felt like a magic trick? What if I told you that ordinary water can perform one of the most incredible feats in science, showing ice, liquid, and steam all at once in the same place? It sounds impossible, right? But it's real, and it's called the triple point. The triple point is where water's three states, solid, liquid, and gas, meet in perfect balance. We see water change all the time. Ice melts, water boils, vapor freezes. But all three at once? That's rare. This moment challenges what we think we know about matter. The triple point is where the usual rules blur, and water reveals its hidden complexity. It's not magic, it's physics, and it's one of the most fascinating concepts in science. So get ready to dive into a place where water reveals its triple identity. We'll see how scientists create this delicate balance, and why it matters. Water, something we see every day, holds profound secrets about the universe. Its triple point is its greatest show. Let's explore how this everyday substance can be so extraordinary. Water isn't just simple, it's a substance of wonder. Consider the science. To reach the triple point, scientists must control both temperature and pressure with incredible precision. On a special chart called a phase diagram, the triple point is a tiny spot where all three states intersect. In the lab, they use vacuum pumps and sealed chambers to create just the right conditions. At the triple point, ice can melt and boil at the same time, an astonishing sight. This phenomenon isn't just a curiosity, it's used to define the Kelvin temperature scale. The triple point of water is a universal reference for scientists around the world. From glaciers to clouds, water's ability to shift forms shapes our entire planet. Understanding the triple point helps us unlock the mysteries of matter itself. To understand the triple point, let's quickly revisit water's three states. First, solid water, ice. Molecules are locked in a rigid, organized structure, which is why ice keeps its shape. Next, liquid water. Molecules are close but can move around, letting water flow and take the shape of its container. Finally, water vapor, gas. Molecules have lots of energy, moving freely and filling any space. Each state depends on how much energy the molecules have and how freely they move. Usually, we see water change from one state to another. Ice melts, water boils, vapor condenses. But what if there was a crossroads where all three states could exist together? That's the triple point, a unique intersection where solid, liquid, and gas meet. It's not just a transition, it's a moment of perfect balance. Imagine a place where ice, water, and steam all share the stage. This is where science gets really cool. The triple point isn't just a curiosity, it's a window into the rules of matter. It shows us how energy and movement shape everything around us, and it sets the stage for one of science's most precise experiments. Let's see how we get there. So, how do we make water show all three states at once? The secret is a precise recipe, temperature and pressure. The triple point of water happens at exactly 0.01 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 611.657 pascals, a near vacuum compared to normal air pressure. At this temperature, water molecules are on the edge of freezing, melting, and boiling, all at once. The low pressure is crucial. It lets water boil at a temperature just above freezing. Combine this exact temperature and pressure, and you hit the triple point. Here, liquid water boils into vapor, freezes into ice, and ice can even turn directly into vapor, sublimation, all at the same time. It's a three-way dance of molecules, perfectly balanced. This isn't just a lab trick, it's a fundamental property of water. The triple point is a crossroads where the rules of matter meet. It's a reminder that even the simplest substances can behave in astonishing ways. Achieving this balance is rare, but it reveals the deep connection between temperature, pressure, and the states of matter. The triple point is a scientific jackpot, a moment where physics comes alive. It's a delicate equilibrium, and it's why water is so unique. This is the magic recipe that lets us see all three states at once. The triple point is more than a curiosity. It's a key to understanding the universe. Let's see how scientists make it happen. Can you make the triple point at home? Not quite. It takes special lab equipment. Scientists use a device called a triple point cell, a sealed glass container with pure, air-free water. First, they cool the cell to form ice inside. Then, they gently warm it to create a thin layer of liquid water between the ice and glass. The only thing above the liquid is water vapor, no air. By holding the temperature at exactly 0.01 degrees Celsius, The pressure inside naturally settles at the triple point. Inside, you see ice, liquid water, and vapor all at once. The liquid boils, even though it's barely above freezing, and new ice forms as water freezes. It's a tiny world in perfect balance. Freezing, melting, boiling, and condensation all happening together. This equilibrium is breathtaking for scientists, a perfect showcase of water's full personality. The triple point cell is a window into the wonders of physics. Seeing water in 3 states at once is cool, but it's also crucial for science. The triple point of water is so stable and reproducible that it's used to define the Kelvin, the base unit of temperature. Unlike freezing or boiling points, which change with air pressure, the triple point is always the same. In 1954, scientists set the triple point at exactly 273.16 kelvins, making it the anchor for all temperature measurements. Every thermometer in every high-tech lab is calibrated using this point. Thanks to the triple point, a degree in one country matches a degree anywhere else. This precision is essential for science, engineering, and technology. It lets us build sensitive electronics, conduct repeatable experiments, and explore the universe. The triple point isn't just a quirk. It's a foundation of modern science. It's a tiny phenomenon with a massive impact. Without it, our measurements and our world wouldn't be the same. The triple point isn't unique to water. Every substance with solid, liquid, and gas states has its own. For example, carbon dioxide's triple point explains why dry ice sublimates at room pressure. On Mars, the low atmospheric pressure is close to water's triple point, making liquid water rare. If you poured water on Mars, it might boil and freeze at once. On Saturn's moon Titan, it's so cold that water is rock hard. But methane exists as a solid liquid and gas, creating lakes and rain of methane. Triple points help scientists understand the exotic weather and landscapes of other worlds. They show us that the rules of matter can look wildly different across the universe. By studying triple points on Earth, we unlock clues to the chemistry of distant planets and moons. The triple point is a universal concept, not just a terrestrial one. It reminds us that physics is the same everywhere, even if the results are strange. Exploring triple points expands our imagination about what's possible in the cosmos. The universe is full of surprises, and triple points are one of its best. So, what have we learned? Water is anything but ordinary. Under just the right conditions, it can be solid, liquid, and gas, all at once. The triple point isn't magic, but a beautiful result of physics. It's so reliable, it defines our temperature scale and underpins modern science. Triple points stretch our imagination, connecting our world to the wildest corners of the universe. The next time you see ice, water, or steam, remember, you're witnessing a molecule with cosmic secrets. Science is about curiosity and wonder, and the triple point of water is proof that even the simplest things can be mind-blowingly awesome. Now that's science.